there's this like buzzing sound coming from my computer. Sounds like it's coming from this area. That red light doesn't mean anything. I've looked into it. There's nothing wrong. It's just that light's on. Turns off sometimes, but there's this buzzing and it's coming from this area. Don't know if it's the CPU cooler. I don't think it is. But yeah, that area. If you can't hear it, whenever I do like any graphics intensive tasks or just any intensive tasks in general, it gets louder. I just opened up a game. I switched to a different window, so that's why it got quieter. But yeah, sounds like it's coming from this area. I don't know if it's the CPU cooler or the GPU. Sounds like it's coming from higher up, like just above the Wi-Fi card, maybe in there. It's not the fan. I've tried stopping every single fan manually, just like doing that, and it doesn't stop the buzzing. And anytime the buzzing stops, my games typically freeze. So if anybody has a fix or something like that, greatly appreciated.